Binance Pay tutorial. Send crypto instantly and for free. Imagine sending crypto to anyone, anywhere, instantly, and without paying any fees. That's exactly what Binance Pay allows you to do. Whether you're buying coffee or sending money to a friend, Binance Pay makes crypto as easy as cash. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Binance Pay like a pro. Binance Pay is a contactless, borderless, and secure crypto payment feature built into the Binance ecosystem. It supports dozens of cryptocurrencies, including BTC, Ether, BNB, and stablecoins like USDT. You can use it to pay friends, businesses, or even for online shopping, all for free. To get started, open your Binance app, tap on the Pay icon at the top, or go to Wallet Pay. If it's your first time, Binance will prompt you to create a Pay PIN. This adds an extra layer of security. Sending crypto with Binance Pay is simple. Tap on Send, enter the recipient's email, phone number, or Pay ID. You can also scan their QR code directly. Choose the coin, enter the amount, confirm, and done. To receive crypto, just go to the Receive tab in Binance Pay. You'll see your Pay QR code and ID. Share it with anyone. They can send crypto instantly to your Binance Pay wallet. Binance Pay is now accepted by thousands of merchants globally. To pay, simply scan their Binance Pay QR code at checkout, select your crypto, confirm payment, and you're done. Security is a priority. Binance Pay lets you set up a Pay PIN, enable biometrics, and limit daily payment amounts. You can also view your transaction history anytime. Did you know Binance Pay also offers rewards, earn cashback, send crypto gift cards, and invite friends to earn referral bonuses? It's not just payments, it's perks too. Use Binance Pay for travel bookings, food delivery, donations, or even remittances to family abroad. It's faster and cheaper than traditional methods. If your transaction fails, make sure the other party has Binance Pay enabled and is verified. Binance Pay may not be supported in all countries, so check the availability and always double check the recipient before confirming. Binance Pay makes crypto simple, fast, and free. Now that you know how to use it, give it a try today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Binance tutorials. Start using Binance Pay today and experience instant crypto payments with zero fees. Like, share, and subscribe for more guides like this.